have a light bar.
No, they don't have a light bar.
So you need the class names for these?
Yeah, I need the class names and I need the screenshot of what the vehicle is, or like a video of it working and the lights. If you do it like in a minute with all of, if you basically just do all the lights flashing, and then go up to the other one, try and see if you can get, and then just basically do the sounds on every
That's
single
just
one of
a
them. If you know
horn,
what I mean?
right?
Yeah, that's just well. The other one, the other police car is 2. If you press 2,
Alright, that's just a horn.
I think it was, or Z maybe, unless you haven't, because if you haven't changed it, it might be Z. It's whatever the horn works in the Range Rover.
Okay, that's H.
Yeah. No, is it H to get the police siren off? The police siren in the Land Rover, yeah?
I have no idea what it is in the Land Rover.
Go to your settings again and I'll double check. No, it's 2. See at the bottom there it says press 2. Yeah.
Horn in that one.
Yeah. They might not work because obviously the police, the ambulance ones aren't they, so they don't have like their own ones or something. Yeah, see. Just normal horn mod. There's no lights for that one, but they just have the sirens.
Yeah.
Don't keep pressing it.
You don't need these, right?
No, because that's a mod. Not a repackable. Well, actually, yeah, you could, well, to show them.